Okay guys, this is going to be the second part of my tutorial on Typescript creating this card game. Okay, now in my first part I created a class and some private field for that class. Let's go ahead and create a constructor, okay? As you know from the object-oriented programming, we use constructor to initialize a private field, right? So let's go ahead and define card name as a string to the constructor, and then also you can value as a string. You can image location as a string also, and then card sounds. So also as a string, and to the constructor I can say string, and finally I can say my card suit equals to data type card suit, my enumeration. Okay, so now I have a constructor here. This is a new feature. This is a really cool feature. So basically I'm saying the sound file it's optional. Why this complaining to me? Okay, so it is saying the optional parameter always has to be the end parameter. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's make that one as the last parameter to the constructor. So I'm going to go ahead. I don't need this. Oh, sorry for that. I don't need this last parameter anymore. Okay, so that's what it was complaining about. Well, this little thing here. Of course. This should be comma and this. Okay, now it's good. Sorry for that. It's just basically have a constructor. The constructor has parameter, and then this if you want to make any of the parameter to that constructor is optional. You can do you can append with a question mark to the name of the parameter. That's it. Now once we have those information, we can set the we can give a value to it. Let's say for the suit, I'm going to say card suit. And for our card value, this dot card name equals to card name. This dot card value equals to whatever value user calls. Okay, and then card image location. This dot card image location equals to image location, and then this dot, see if I hit that, the card sound location equals to card sound right here. Okay, and all these things are now defined. Okay, it's really cool. Now I have I can define my playing card. So for example, if I define my playing card within here, in this I can say something like var my card equals to easy IT solution for you. That's where my card is. Okay, the one more thing, remember, like I was trying to use a playing card, but it's not able to come this outside of the module. But if let's say if I it's because I haven't say this as export. So that is important. If I want to use this outside of here, then I have to export that one. So now I'm going to say my current card or something like that. I can now define my current card as EIT solution for you, and here's my playing card, and expect because this is an object, right? So you can say new easy IT solution for you, and here's my playing card, and as you can see all the parameter. That is really cool. Now I can say, let's say name is value, I don't know, 14. Image location, let's say I don't have that information. On this, then I can say easy IT solution for your card suite equals to, let's say I want to say diamond, which is really cool. And you can say sound file if you have, if you're not, it is okay. How many parameters you expect? I said that as a string, that's why it's complaint C, because I said value will have also as a string. Okay, this is how you create it, okay? But instead of creating right here, now we have a card. This is really cool. Now we have a card object, playing card object. Now let's go ahead and define a deck. Instead of writing this in here, I'm going to go ahead and create a new file, and I will have a reference of this one into that deck, okay? So here's my Typescript code. I go into here and I would like to add a new Typescript class file. Let's say I'm going to define a playing card deck. Card deck. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so this is, you know, like card that. So I'm going to use, like I said before, I'm going to use the same namespace. So let's go ahead and grab that guy. Okay. Easy IT solution for you, and of course, you know, just like before, we like to use a card, so we're gonna say that reference path. Of course, then we have to tell us this guy what is our path is. So the path is now playing card.ts. Now what we can do is I'm going to define our public a class. Let's go ahead and define playing card deck class here, okay? And then it will have a private so what the deck will have, cards, right? And define cards of data type playing card array of these guys, and I can set it to null if I want. So basically what I'm saying is like, hey, this card is array of playing card. Basically, remember, like in a deck of card we will have 53 cards. So this is, I have my deck of cards in here. This is awesome. Now actually I can now define in here a little method. So far I haven't, I have been avoiding creating a method because I've created enumeration and a bunch of classes, right? I started with creating enumeration, and then I create a card, and now I have a card, and I define, in my local, in playing card deck, hey, I have a bunch of card right here. Let's say, let's define a method. So it's a add card, okay, and then this would take current oh, sorry for this. First, let's say I define a constructor, okay? So very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to define a constructor. So once I define, this is my constructor. Inside the constructor, what I will do this dot cards equals to new array. If I do that, you can add anything, but I would say new playing new playing card.